Hi friends, let us go to the sums. Ninth one. If f of x is equal to x into e power x into sin x, find f dash x. Solution. Given f of x is equal to x into e power x into sin x. The given expression is in the form of u into v into w. Let us assume u is equal to x, v is equal to e power x, w is equal to sin x. Derivative of u into v into w is equal to u into v into dw by dx plus u into w into dv by dx plus v into w into du by dx. Let us substitute the value. Then we get x into e power x into d by dx of sin x plus x into sin x into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into sin x d by dx of x. Then we get x into e power x into cos x. The derivative of sin x is cos x plus x into sin x into e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x plus e power x into sin x. Derivative of x is 1 is equal to, in all these terms we have e power x. Let us take e power x as common. Then we get x into cos x plus x into sin x plus sin x. This is the solution. 10th problem. If y is equal to secant of root of tan x, find dy by dx. Solution. Given y is equal to secant of root of tan x. It is in the form of secant x. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. In the place of x we have root of tan x. So we get secant of root of tan x into tan of root of tan x. The derivative of root of tan x. It is in the formula of root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Let's substitute. Then we get secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x into 1 by 2 root tan x. In the place of x we have tan x. So we should do again derivative of tan x. We get derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Secant square x by 2 root tan x into secant root tan x into tan root tan x. This is the solution. 11th sum. Find the derivative of tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. This is very important sum. Solution. Given expression is equal to tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. This is in the form of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here x is equal to secant x plus tan x. 1 by 1 plus secant x plus tan x into derivative of secant x plus tan x. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Then we get 1 by 1 plus secant x plus tan x whole square into secant x tan x into secant square x. In whole these terms we have secant x as common. Let us take secant x as common. Then we get tan x plus secant x. 1 by 1 plus secant x plus tan x whole square into secant x of tan x plus secant x. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Then we get 1 by 1 plus secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 secant x into tan x into secant of tan x plus secant x. 1 by 1 plus tan x plus secant square x plus 2 secant x into tan x into secant x of tan x plus secant. Here 1 plus tan x is equal to secant square x. Secant square x plus secant square x plus 2 secant x tan x. Here we get 2 secant square x plus 2 secant x tan x. Secant x of tan x plus secant x by 2 secant square x plus 2 secant x tan x. We have here 2 secant x as common. Then we get secant x plus tan. Here secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x cancel, secant x tan secant x cancel. Then we get 1 by 2. 12th sum. Find the derivative of cot inverse x cube whole square. Solution. Given expression is equal to cot inverse x cube whole square. The given expression is in the form of a power n. Derivative of a power n is equal to n into a power n minus 1. N is equal to 2. We get 2 into cot inverse x cube power 2 minus 1. Derivative of cot inverse x cube. In the place of a we have cot inverse x cube. So we should do again derivative of cot inverse x cube. Derivative of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 into cot inverse x cube into minus 1 by 1 plus x power 6 into d by dx of x cube. In the place of x we have x cube. So we get minus 2 into cot inverse x cube by 1 plus x power 3 into 3x square. The derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. This is the solution. This is most important sum. Find the derivative of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x. Let us assume y is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x. The given expression is in the form of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So, x is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Let us substitute the values. Then we get y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Then we get y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta. By this we get y is equal to 2 theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. The derivative of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 2 is there. So 2 by 1 plus x square. dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. These are the main sums of differentiation.